Bafethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Please subscribe, like, share, comment so that the channel can grow. Bafethu, Ellen McCarthy isitori sakhe lesokuthiwa kumele adayiswe or else ahambe for iloni. I don't think it's a good idea. The boy is still young and is fantastic. He has to stay a team in Bafethu. But anyway, we don't know ama-communications lapha kwi-team ukuthi bakhuluma ngani, kodwa nje into ebaluleke kakhulu Bafethu, it's better mangathiwa mhlambe abe i-backup for uMiguel or kuhambe uMiguel kubuye mhlambe elinye iplayer u-Aiden McCarthy asale Bafethu ngoba is a key player and then usasenayo i-energy. Enye into ebalulekile ukuthi is still young. And then Bafethu bese kube ilama coach Bafethu afuna ukujoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs alibela release i-statement ukuthi bona bafuna ukuthi mabe coach i-Kaizer Chiefs kube kanjani. Amanye ama-coaches are good coaches, but abanye abantu abafana nabo Peace, I don't think they are needed to Kaizer Chiefs because uzobuya ne-strategy sakhe ozothola ukuthi asihambisani ne-Kaizer Chiefs and then bese afeyile bese igama lakhe lingcole. I think he has to protect himself. And then bese kuba uJose Rivero naye umuntu nje ababhizi bammaketa ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but I don't think it's a good idea. I think umuntu omele coach i-Kaizer Chiefs is someone ongadumanga kakhulu, umuntu angeke ethi mayefika ethimini abantu ba-expecte a lot from him. Let's listen to this coach obekhuluma naye nge-Kaizer Chiefs. Let's listen to his words.
You watched Chiefs play a lot this season. I don't want to make an unfair question, but would you back yourself to win the league, or certainly challenge for the league with the current Kaizer Chiefs team?
Yeah, 100%. Because I get them to play for me. I mean, if you go back to the knockout cup when in the times of COVID, when I had I think I had the Transvaal province, and we won that. I had 28 players that I just got for 2 weeks to train, and then we played in Durban, then we played in Joburg in the final. And it doesn't matter who you are or what you are, as long as you get them players to put that jersey on and go play for you and go and run for you.
Is that if you like your coach and you like your teammates and you believe in your coach and you believe in your teammates, you will run through a brick wall for him. And that is the difference between the teams winning things and teams not winning things. So if a coach can't get the team to play for him and for that jersey,